Welcome to the Calm Achiever channel.
Are there different types of AI?
Not all AI is the same. Some AI can only do one task, while others are far more powerful.
Narrow AI.
This is the AI we use today. It's designed to do one specific task really well, like YouTube recommendations, Siri, ChatGPT, or Face Unlock.
General AI.
General AI would think and learn like a real human. It could solve different kinds of problems without special training. But this type of AI doesn't fully exist yet.
Super AI.
Super AI is a theoretical future AI that could become smarter than humans in every way. Sounds exciting, and a little scary.
Which type are we closest to?
Right now, we only use narrow AI. But researchers are working toward more advanced AI every day. The future of AI is just getting started.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simple AI videos.